Traveling soon? Make sure your Cash App keeps up by setting travel notification. So what are travel notification? Travel notification alerts Cash App that you'll be using your account or card in a different city, state, or country. This helps prevent your transaction from being flagged or declined due to unusual activity. And here's how to set up travel notification on Cash App. Launch the app on your phone, then tag your profile picture at the top right corner, then scroll and select privacy and security, and then tap travel notification or manage travel, and next enter your destination city or country and your travel dates. And last, tap save or confirm to activate your notification. But here are some important notes. Not all versions of Cash App support this manual travel notification because some use automatic fraud detection instead. So if you don't set travel notification, your transaction abroad may be declined for security reason. And always update your travel dates or cancel notification if your plan changes. And here's my final thought. Setting up travel notification helps keep your Cash App transaction smooth and secure while you enjoy your trip. So that's it. Avoid decline payments abroad, so set your Cash App travel notification before you go. If this video helped you out, like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.